Sunday, August 25th, 2024. Played around with my MIG welder today. Got the spool gun out here, trying to patch some aluminum. My first attempt at aluminum welding. Didn't come out too bad. Kind of blew a big hole through it. Then I got the voltage adjusted a little bit better, and it came out not too bad. It didn't come out great, but like they say, grinder and paint make the welder I ain't. So yeah, it didn't come out too bad. It still got a little crack. I kind of missed this one. I popped a hole in it, sealed my hole up pretty good, but then I kind of missed the little crack, so I got to come back and hit that. But this one over here, although it did blob up quite a bit, might have a tiny little bit hole there, but this one came out pretty nice here. That was a little hole right there. I think I got that one really good. Takes a little bit of practice to see where that thing's going. And of course, I got it a little bit hot and warped it. I figured I probably would. I didn't take a lot of time letting it cool off. I'm going to hit this one again and maybe try to pop a little bit in that little hole right there. But yeah, not that bad really. Could have been a lot worse. Well, it was a lot worse. A big hole there, the size of a dime, but I filled it up.